Hello friends, in this video tutorial I am going to teach you how to fix Windows cannot be installed to this disk. The selected disk has an MBR partition table. On EFI systems, Windows can only be installed to GPT disk. This is the error 1. Then the second error is Windows cannot be installed to this disk. The selected disk is of the GPT partition style. This is the second error. Okay. I am going to show you how to fix these two errors while installing Windows operating system. The first step is, for example, I am going to change OS for this system, means I am going to check whether my partition style is MBR or GPT. For that, type disk. You can find an option create and format hard disk partitions. Click that. You can find two disks. In my computer, disk 0 is my hard disk, then disk 1 is my pen drive. Okay, I'm going to right click the disk 0, my hard disk, then click the properties. It will open a new tab. Navigate to the volumes tab. You can find that my partition style is master boot record, which means MBR. Okay, it is an important step. You have to check your partition style for which system you are going to change the OS. Then I close this window. The second step is you have to download a software called Rufus, which is used to convert ISO file to bootable. Type Rufus in Google, you can find the official website, then download the latest version. Yeah, I successfully downloaded the latest version. Now I am going to open the tool. Yeah, it is successfully opened. It is automatically directed my pen drive Ranjit. I am going to show you. I have inserted a empty pen drive. It is automatically deleted my pen drive. If it is not, you can choose your pen drive using this option. After that, you have to select your ISO file, Windows ISO file. Either you can use Windows 10, Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 8.1, any one of the Windows operating system ISO file. For example, I am having Windows 10 ISO file in my desktop. Click the select button. It will open a window where you have to select your ISO file. Now I am going to select Windows. It is automatically changed the partition scheme to GPT and target system to UEFI. Okay, but my computer's partition style is MBR, which we have shown on the first step. If I try to install using this option, then any one of that error will occur. If it is my computer partition style is MBR, then I have to choose partition scheme as MBR. It will automatically change the target system to BIOS. Okay, then click the start button. Then a warning will open. It means the software will erase your data on pen drive. Click OK. Now it is creating bootable pen drive using these options. It will take some time. Please wait until that. It will take some time to convert ISO file into bootable. It is almost completed. You can check the status here. 97.6% is completed. Please wait until 100%. Then status will be changed automatically. Yeah, the status is changed to ready. It means you have successfully converted the ISO file into bootable. You can check the pen drive. You can see that the pen drive name is automatically changed and the pen drive has bootable files, bootable Windows files. Using this method, you can install Windows without any errors. If it is your partition style is GPT, by checking on disk partition. If your partition style is GPT, then you have to choose partition scheme as GPT. Then click the then format the pen drive and click the start button again. It will automatically convert the ISO file to bootable. Okay. Okay, now I am going to teach you what is BIOS legacy and what is UEFI. I hope all of you know the BIOS. There are two types. First one is BIOS legacy and second one is UEFI. BIOS legacy is the oldest BIOS type and UEFI is the newest type. BIOS legacy will support MBR partition table and UEFI will support GPT partition table. Okay guys, if you cannot access the Windows to check your partition cell, then don't worry. If the first error is shown, Windows cannot be installed to this disk, the selected disk is of the GPT partition cell. If this error is shown, then you have to choose open the Rufus software, which I have already downloaded. Yeah, now I'm going to open the Rufus software. Yeah, if the first error is shown, if the first error is shown, it means the selected disk is of the GPT partition and you are trying to install Windows using MBR method. So choose the partition scheme as GPT. If the first error is shown. If the second error is shown, Windows cannot be installed to this disk. The selected disk has an MBR partition table. On EFI system, Windows can only be installed to GPT disks. It is if this error is shown, then choose the partition scheme as MBR. That's it guys. Don't use diskpart command to convert MBR disk to GPT or GPT disk to MBR, because diskpart commands will format or erase your disk. If you don't have any personal files on your hard disk, then you can use this method to convert GPT disk to MBR or MBR disk to GPT. But if you have any personal files on your hard disk, then use the method I have shown in this video to successfully install Windows operating system. For sometimes you have to change your BIOS setting. If it is your computer's hard disk partition style is MBR, then you have to choose BIOS legacy on BIOS setting. If it is your hard disk partition style is GPT, then you have to choose UEFI on BIOS. That's it guys. I hope this video helped you to fix these two errors. If you have any issues, don't worry, please comment down, I will help you. If you like this video, share this video with your friends and don't forget to subscribe our channel and click the bell icon.